Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soft caramel candy. First, gather your essential ingredients: granulated sugar, light corn syrup, rich heavy cream, unsalted butter, and pure vanilla extract. Next, prepare a 9 by 13 inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. It's crucial to measure all your ingredients precisely before you even begin cooking to ensure perfect results. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, increase the heat and boil without stirring until a candy thermometer reads exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial stage is key for flavor development. Once your sugar mixture reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully and slowly whisk in 1 cup of warm heavy cream and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Continue cooking this luscious mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with a heat-proof spatula. Keep a close eye on your candy thermometer. You'll want the caramel to reach precisely 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This exact temperature ensures your caramel will be wonderfully soft and chewy. Finally, remove the caramel from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. The aroma will be incredible. Immediately pour the hot, golden caramel into your prepared 9 by 13 inch pan. Resist the urge to touch it while it's hot. Allow the caramel to cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight, before carefully lifting it out and cutting it into delightful, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.